Notre petit mobil-home numéro 8. Notre petite place de parking. En dessous des arbres. Notre petit chien. India. Une chambre pour les invités. La télé. La chambre parentale. Avec accès à la salle de bain. Une grande douche. Que demander de mieux?
Hello you hairy hunkers, sorry there's been no video coming up to this place, our first night. The mounting bracket on the camera broke, so I couldn't do any filming at all. We've just arrived in the camping at Veynes, somewhere up in the Haut Alpes, 220 kilometres from home. And we're going to have a nice cool chilled out night here before the next leg tomorrow. We'll just show you a little bit around the campsite. So this is our cabin for the night. The Phoenix Flyer has done a marvellous job getting us here. This is Harry the dog. So you've got sort of two big tents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mobile homes. Pretty new. The owner's only had it for a year. So we're right in the middle of the mountains here. And that's going to be our digs for the night. And I've already got my guard dog, India. Hey, good boy, good boy. You can look after me, hey? You can look after that motorbike. Good boy. Ali, Assie, water, see? So India's going to be looking after the house tonight. Keeping a good old sharp ears and eyes open on the old cross door. So catch you in the morning, guys. So I can't show you on the map where we're going because I've got no maps at all of France or Germany or Denmark. I've only got maps of Norway. So we might get lost, but who knows? We're on holiday. We're retired. So let's go for a good day. See you boys. Can have a nice cold beer now.